question number 50 and 51 of test series 9. They are linked question from subject of, their common data question from subject of water resources from subject of hydrology. In this question, one unit hydrograph is given and following data is given pertaining to that it is having the peak flow as 120 meter cube per second occurring at 20 hours. Total base period is given as 60 hours. So making the other segment as 40 hours automatically, and also it is given that phi index for storm as 0.4 centimeter per hour and base flow is given as 30 m cube per second. And in question number 50 it is asked that what is the catchment area. Now if we talk about catchment area that will be given by 0.01 multiplied by A, that is total runoff that is taking place in this catchment, that should be equal to area under this hydrograph, which is half of 60 into 120 into 3600, because base period is given in hours and we have to convert it into seconds for compatibility of units. So from this equation, area comes out as 30 into 120 into 3600 divided by 0.01. Please note that this 0.01 comes because we know that for unit hydrograph the depth of rainfall is taken as 1 centimeter if and unless otherwise specified. So upon solving this, area comes out as 1296 into 10 to the power 6 meter square, that is 1296 kilometer square. So correct answer for question number 50 is option number C.